Okay, hi guys, it's a very quick one today. I've just gone for a run, I've just come back and I am kind of tired, so today we're just going to do a quick one. This is the workout, 21, 15, 9. Kettlebell swings, toes to bars and goblet squats. I don't think it's in that order, but you get my drift. So that's exactly what we're going to do. I'm not going to say anything else. I will see you at the end of the workout. As always, hit the subscribe button, hit that button there, and I'll see you on the other side. That's it. Oh gosh, wow, that was short, sharp and nasty. Here's the time here, 6.5 minutes, just under. Yeah, so that was solid. Copy it, do it in your own time. Again, remember, the whole idea is just to go hard, no breaks. 21, 21, 21, 15, 15, 15, 9, 9, 9, boom. Go as fast as you can, see if you can beat my time. And I'll see you next time. Hit the subscribe button. I've got to go. See ya.